Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1986 Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. This example has 102,000 miles, clean title, clean CarFax. It's a great looking Grand Prix White over a black leather interior and black top. It has the black tonneau cover. It runs and drives excellent. Great power and sound from the 3.2 liter flat six. The 915 transaxle shifts great through all gears. Clutch is strong. Hot heat. It has the stuff for AC. It has a period aftermarket stereo. It has the Rennline Rev2 LED H4 headlights. Came factory option with a limited slip differential, factory short shifter, and the raised hub. Door cards are in nice shape. Steering wheel has minor wear. Dash is clean. There's the other door card. Aftermarket stereo, HVAC controls. Everything all tidy there. 102,000 miles today. Seat bottom on the driver's side is split, and then there's bolster wear. Passenger seat is good, and then again outer bolster wear. Has the rear seats and seat belts, and the backs fold down all nice and neat. All around, just a nice little example you can daily drive every day.